Are you someone that's running Google Ads currently and you're just throwing money away, getting no conversions, and at the point of almost giving up because it feels like all the money that you're spending, you might as well just pour down the toilet and flush down the drain? What if I told you it's not Google Ads' fault, and yes, your business can actually work on Google and become mega profitable? As a rule of thumb, I always see from everyone that I've partnered with in the Google Ads that we run, you get massive returns on your ad spend. There's nothing quite as good as a Google Ads campaign in order to jumpstart your business, no matter what industry you're in. I personally owe all the success I had to starting my real estate career to Google Ads. It allowed me to build a brand and get leads and then get clients right away from just being able to go onto Google. Other than that, I see so many people who start their business that are totally lost and have no idea where their customers are going to come from. And the best focal point for you to start is Google Ads. And this could be for people that are already running Google Ads, but they're not performing the best way that they could be. So optimizing your campaign is so crucial. Once again, if we were to go through your Google Ads, I can guarantee you that we'll get even higher return on your investment and what you're spending because they're probably not set up correctly. The misconception on Google Ads. Each year, more businesses and more people are pouring more money into Google Ads. Last year alone, Google made $81 billion just from ad spend. So if you're thinking that Google Ads don't work, why do businesses continue to use them? And the biggest players in every single industry rely heavily on keeping their business more profitable by using Google Ads. And the problem isn't with Google Ads, it's how you set up your campaigns on Google and how you're optimizing them as you go along. It starts off with making sure that your ads are set up properly so the Google Ads algorithm actually works for you and doesn't work against you. Because if you don't have it set up correctly, I can guarantee with how powerful the Google Ad algorithm is, your ads are going to do horrible. And it starts with the concept of making sure that you specifically and strategically position your ads to stand out compared to what everyone else is in your market. I know so many people are going to say there's so much competition on Google Ads. And even for me, when I started my business in real estate, I was going against people that had 14, 15 person marketing teams spending millions and millions of dollars. And it was just me, myself, with a measly $1,000 budget a month. And my Google Ads continued to outrank and was number one in my market. So if you're someone that would like me to help you with your marketing and take over your Google Ads campaign, well, go to the description there. There's going to be a Google form for you to fill out. If you match the criteria on the person that we look to align with in a business partner, we'll reach out to schedule a call. We need to understand what Google's goal is with ads. In Google's algorithm, the primary goal of what they're trying to achieve is make sure that whatever you're offering them is matching best with what people are searching for on Google. So this starts with your actual landing page on what you put on your Google Ads. It is so crucial. It has to align with exactly what you're offering because Google will review your landing page to see if it actually is best suited for whatever the consumer's typing in, because their goal is to ultimately solve the problem for what the consumer is searching on Google. Whatever query they type in, they want to make sure they're aligning the best landing page with what that person needs and is looking for. Harnessing the power of Google, now that we understand how the algorithm works, what their goals is you have to make sure your ads line up with the intent on what Google's trying to provide for the consumer. So if your landing pages are off, your ads aren't actually structured in the way that will support people when they're looking and typing in queries into search there, your ads are never going to show up at the top of the page on Google. So if you're someone that needs help setting up your Google Ads and would like to partner with us, go in the description below, fill out that Google form, and when it's submitted, if you match the criteria of who we're looking for to partner with, we'll give you a call.